everyone, I'm Sumi and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy, super delicious South Indian snack. It's a chickpea stir fry. It takes less than 5 minutes to put together, so let's get cooking. Here I have a pan placed on medium-high heat to which I added around a tablespoon of coconut oil. Once my oil gets hot, I'm going to add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait for it to splutter. Now that my mustard seeds are spluttering, I'm adding a teaspoon of white lentils or urad dal, and I'm going to cook this till it turns golden brown in color. That looks great, and now I'm adding 1 chopped Thai green chili, and I'm going to mix this up for about 20 to 30 seconds till the chilies get all toasty. Now to this I'm adding a sprig of curry leaves, which is around 8 to 10 curry leaves. Again, you can find this at any local Indian grocery store. It adds such a magical flavor to the dish. I'm going to mix this again for around 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, so this looks great, and I'm adding around a cup of chickpeas to this mixture. I'm using canned chickpeas because it's just so much more convenient, but if you want to pressure cook them, go ahead. So to my chickpeas, I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and around half a teaspoon of dried red chili powder. You can also use paprika powder instead of the red chili powder. And I'm going to mix this all really well till it's well combined. So this needs to cook for around a minute or so. And I'm just going to add a generous squeeze of lemon because I love my lemon. And I'm going to finish the dish with some freshly grated coconut. Again, this is completely optional, and that's the finished dish. So that was my quick and easy chickpea stir fry. It is a super versatile dish. It works great just as a snack for one, or it can work well as a side. You can incorporate it into your wraps as a salad topper. There's just so many things you can do with this dish. So let me know how you made it your own, and I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye.